I was running with the idea, like considered it and started running with the idea that maybe you might find out space is not all that it's cracked up to be. The first time I heard that is Jay Dyer, right? Said that or something. And I was like, I think I am finding out that space is not all that it's cracked up to be. But before you make up your mind, right? What if space has is trying to unravel a conundrum, and kind of like we're caught up in this like artificial matrix on top of. So this is not supposed to be a prison, but we can tend to think of it as a sentence, prison sentence, and that's like Gnostic, like everybody's here to do a bid and get some perspective, and when you get it, then you don't have to come back. You know what I mean? But then we start thinking about like the chakras, and there's all like systems of slavery and trying to lock down your energy, but that's not actually the case. And so if I say that there are energies in the cosmos that are that are actually going to eventually unravel the matrix, I'm not talking about like, I'm talking about it's gonna unravel the artificial matrix. It's not gonna unravel your matrix like a prison. Like that's DNA. DNA is actually more alive than humans. It can correct itself and fix itself because in entropy, it is very hardy and resilient, right? I mean, eventually entropy is gonna win, but DNA is like close to the baddest shit. So entropy was a god named Apep, and DNA is a god named Dom Balawedo, which is a entanglement. Like it's duality. It's two spirals, and they use it on the ambulance and everything. So that because like the spirit is kind of like locked in the body. But if you get the perspective of this is a prison, then you're not getting off of here. You're not getting out. But so like they like to have you engaging negatively, and irregardless of the fact that we don't even have to. You know what I mean? If you're trying to leave the construct, we can go right now. It's not the point of trying to figure out when they're going to release the science that's going to allow us to throw off the yokes and the prison. You know what I mean? It's really, that's arbitrary. So let's get back. Let me try to tie this back in, because I might not be able to. I could actually stop this video and make a two-parter. That's what I do sometimes when I can't remember the premise, because I went down a rabbit hole I chose to. Okay, maybe I'll stop here. Okay, part two, and back on with the premise of the beginning. And then the point of this is not to like edit my comment and erase. It's because if you tie it together cohesively, that's just as good, right? I have a fallible memory, okay?